Welcome to Highcrest at Meadow Walk by Pulte Homes. A private enclave of condominium homes for age-qualified adults 55 or better in convenient and historic Sudbury, Massachusetts, just 20 miles from Boston. An abundance of nearby shopping and dining includes a Whole Foods, Pete's Coffee, and Orange Theory Fitness, just a short walk from your front door. Down the street, discover the historic Wayside Inn, where you can explore the walking trails and lush gardens or have a bite to eat at the inn's renowned on-site restaurant. Inside, you'll find modern stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, hardwood floors, and luxury finishes throughout. The condominium collection features 1- and 2-bedroom designs with up to 2 bathrooms as well as a private balcony. Choose a home with the features that matter to you. Whether that's a soaking tub in the owner's bathroom, a large center island in the kitchen, a formal dining room, or a convenient laundry room off the foyer. No matter which design you choose, every condominium home at Highcrest at Meadow Walk is low maintenance and energy efficient. You'll love Highcrest at Meadow Walk. Come and see for yourself and discover your dream home.